Come on. No, don't eat that. Oh, no.
You gotta go to your crate. Sir? Kevin.
Get out. I don't care. Get out. Get out. Get out. Oh, God. I can feel it everywhere.
Oh, hey, Grandma. Yeah, me and Nico, we're just relaxing right now.
Speak. Speak. Okay, shh. That's quiet. Shh. Speak.
No. Oh, no. Did he take it?
You don't have to be scared of the kitty. Come on.
One more night. One more time.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I literally didn't invite you up here.
My baby.
I got it on film. Stop it. Oh, Bonnie, come here.
Amy, you know you hear me talking to you.
Oh my God, are you?
It's been a minute, but he back at it.
Where's the baby? There he is.
Do you want to go for a walk?
It's time to go off the bed.
It's your baby sister. She's so good.
Hey, it's gone. What the fuck? What the hell?
A higher volume of tests. When you go back to the manufacturer.
Hey, Justice.
He's like, I'm gonna do what I want to do.
Who ate the toy? Bella ate the toy. Did Bella eat the toy?
What in the hell are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, Steve. Where did this come from?
Oh.
Did you chew up one of your toys?
Who did?
Oh shit.
Il renifle là. Non, non. Eh.
I don't think he's excited.
Ain't no way. Zeus.
Are you riding that horsey? Look at you, big girl.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
No.
The following sounds, or don't. I can't really tell you what to do.
My name is Jeff.
Oh my god, you two.
Let me see you smile. Do a big smile.
Mama. Who's a good boy?
Don't huff and puff at me.
Jay, thank you very much.
I said no, ma'am.
Finley, leave it. Oh, thank God.
You guys, look at what my dog does when I talk in a different voice.
Hey, Rex, what are you doing? What are you doing, doggy? Hey, come here there, doggy. Come here, doggy.
Okay, what happened? Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh. Are you cold? Oh no. Oh my God.
He looks dead big on there, doesn't he? His head look big.
What are you doing?